In this video, we will explore how a high voltage test is carried out to check the dielectric properties of a product's insulation material. This test ensures that the insulation material is sufficient to sustain high voltages which are suddenly applied to the equipment during fault conditions. In this video, we perform the test on an anchoring clamp which is used on distribution lines to tension the cables. These clamps need to comply with the high voltage test requirements as per the NFC 33040 standard, which requires a 6 kV test for 60 seconds. Note, the high voltage tester has a range of up to 10 kV. Secondly, please ensure that all individuals use proper tools, procedures and personal protective equipment to avoid injury. Step 1. Connect the high voltage probe, the red probe and the neutral probe, the black probe to the sample. The high voltage probe will be connected to the conducting part of the sample and the neutral probe will be connected to the earthing part of the sample. Step 2. The HV knob should be kept at 0 before turning the HV tester on. Step 3. Switch on the HV tester by pressing the power on-off switch. Step 4. Ensure the HV knob is at 0 position before the testing. Step 5. Switch on the test switch and a beeping sound will indicate that the machine is on. Step 6. Rotate the HV knob gradually to get the desired high voltage value, that is 6 kV. Once the voltage reaches to the desired value, start the stopwatch to test the sample for the required duration, that is 60 seconds. Step 7. Observe the high voltage and leakage current on the HV tester. Step 8. If the HV tester trips and the buzzing sound stops before the required duration, it means the sample has failed in sustaining the desired high voltage level. Step 9. After the test, rotate the HV knob back to the 0 position. As you can see, the HV tester did not trip and sustained a high voltage of 6 kV. This indicates that the axis anchoring clamp is capable of carrying the high voltage levels at the time of fault conditions and it complies with the NFC 33040 2013 standard specification. Note, for everyone's safety, make sure to discharge the sample to avoid any shock due to charges present. Please visit us at access-india.com to learn more about our testing capabilities and our range of AB cable accessories.